Hey guys, it is Pet Through the Blockhead's Hamster here, and it has been such a long time since I've uploaded. But we have today this kitchen gadget called the Rollie Eggmaster. So tell us what it is.
So now what we have is sort of a different video today. This isn't a drone of any kind, obviously.
Or a plant.
It's a vertical. It's the Rollie vertical cooking system.
Yep.
It's simply perfect eggs, and it's also
perfect.
On TV.
I don't know about that, but we'll see. Because I mean, to be honest, nothing's in the world is perfect. So let's see how you cook eggs.
So it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So you spray it in, you crack the egg, make sure not to get any of the eggshells in there. Eggshells
Let's hope that's
not good.
Happen.
All right, crack and then enjoy. No butter, no fat, no mess.
So basically, how this works is when you spray your cooking spray in here, you have to spray the cooking spray. You're gonna crack 1 or 2 eggs in, and then after 6 to 8 minutes, it is going to rise up and out of the machine like it's powered by it runs on magic basically. But actually, it just expands. And
yeah, it's a bit interesting. Like, maybe that's not the best way I'd want my eggs to be. Like, I'd rather them be scrambled than, I don't know, come out in this weird thing. Well, let's open her up.
I'm going to start. So, let's see. Okay. So it has. Oh, by the way, eggs is not the only thing you can do. There's 25 and over recipes that you can. Some of them that you can make. Some of them don't use eggs at all. So let's see. Simply perfect eggs. It says. Let's turn this over for you. That's a bit dark. Sorry about that. And it has Rollie on Twitter, Facebook, and here's the. Okay, so apparently this is the cleaning brush.
Oh, 4 cleaning brushes.
No, this is the little. It looks like
toilet brush.
It looks like a toilet brush, to be very honest. It's not. It feels a bit cheap. It has Rollie on it, but it's pretty good. And let's see.
Oh.
This is. I'm going to explain to you. Oh my god, my stand is falling over. So. Hold on. Let me read it. We're gonna cut this out. Okay.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Not close. Yeah, because. All right. So this little plastic thing is called the packer, and it's basically if you're doing recipes like French toast or something like that, where you have like little crumbs or whatever that you need to push down, you can use this to push the stuff down into the Rollie. We have 8 skewers that can be used to take your Rollie meal out of the machine. And no, these do not look to be reusable. So
yeah, don't reuse these.
Okay, so you can use these, or you can also get your own pack of skewers. Like, you can get a bunch of them, and you can use those.
Is this
don't reuse. Wait,
is that a fake egg in there?
I don't think it is. Wait a minute. Let's see. This is the instruction booklet /
vertical grill. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that.
Recipe book and
grill Vertalica.
That's
grill Vertalica.
So there's this. What is this? Registration cards to copy or sales, whatever this is. This is the instruction book / recipe guide.
Now slide this on.
I need to say when you're like doing a tortilla recipe, you have to cut it according to this little template. So just gives you an idea. All right, time for the big part.
There we go. Whoa, that's a big. It's big. It's quite big.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm gonna tell you that is not a fake egg, by the way.
Oh yeah, but it looks like
it smells like So what does this is the warning and message. So what does this say? Wash before use. I know that I already see.
Important read before use. Rollie Eggmaster must be coated inside the cooking chamber with non-stick cooking spray every time before use. Every time before use.
Correct.
Always do that. And so this is
the power cord. We're gonna have to untangle this. So we must now. I'm going to. So you can go ahead and untie this. I'm not gonna say this YouTuber's name. There is a YouTuber who say when he plugged it in, this thing smelled like burning plastic and it smelled awful. Well, did you wash it? Because to be honest, that person always claims that he can be
I
pretty
don't
lazy.
like how there's a not an on and off switch on here.
Even the generic ones have it, which I don't like it. But hey, it's not that complicated, so you kind of get what it is. So it looks like a big coffee travel mug, but actually it's you put your egg in here and
20% off. Congratulations on your new Rollie grill.
Calorix.
Calorix. 20% off any purchase at Calorix. That's a good idea.
Is there anything else? Nope. So okay, we're going to wash. Okay, what just happened there? We're going to. This is Google Assistant.
Google Pixel.
Google Pixel.
Got
awesome phone.
Triggered.
So we're going to wash this out thoroughly, plug it in, and we'll get cracking the eggs, and we're going to try out for the first time to see if it's actually going to work. So
or it actually tastes good.
Does it taste good? That's the thing. Does it pop out like invention?
Does it taste good? That is the question.
All right, so we're in the kitchen here, and let's let Temmie plug the thing in.
All right, let's plug this in.
Might have to go. You know what? How about you? Yeah, let's move it over here.
Let's move it over there.
And I forgot to mention, guys, the red light is gonna stay on the whole time, and the green light is going to light up when it is hot enough to use. So I think what you want to do is wait a minute, and then when the green light comes on, you're gonna spray in the cooking spray.
Okay.
So let's wait. It's gonna take like 2 minutes. So that was like quick. So time to spray in the oil. I mean cooking spray.
1, 2.
Let me
Three.
Let me coat. You gotta like coat it well. I didn't know this would be that. Okay, so do you push in?
Let me get that.
Okay.
You gotta do it.
So it's gonna take this cooking spray. I should have brought my own, to be honest.
Okay, there we go. It seems like we're coating it pretty well.
So crack one egg in. You know how. Don't do.
Whoa.
Don't make it spill. Oh, this sounds very satisfying, by the way.
Oh no, eggshell.
Here, hold the camera
For no reason.
and listen to this.
Ooh, that was a nice.
Yeah, that's what I love about
bunch of
this. Let's throw this out
steam.
and let's crack the next egg.
Yeah, you mostly gotta use 2 eggs. One person used 1 egg and didn't pop
Oh my
out,
god, the
so.
shell's probably gonna get in. I love that sound.
Yeah, alright.
Smells like egg, I guess. So it's
You
already
don't say.
steaming.
You don't say.
And the green light somehow just decided to turn off.
It's gonna turn
But don't worry, it's
on
gonna. What's gonna happen is it's gonna start to rise out of there, like.
Oh, I
Like
can start to see it in there.
Okay, so once this rises out, we're going to enjoy. Just steam it. Okay, you can stop that for now. All right, so it's kind of sad that it did not rise. So we're just going to pour this thing out onto the plate. So you can hold this for now.
Yeah, I don't think the cooking
You can
spray
hold that.
actually worked.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go home and try mine.
Come on.
Get
Come
out.
on, egg.
I don't know why it's like sticking. I'm gonna use this chopstick to take it out as a skewer. Is it gonna work? Yeah, it's like sticking somehow. I'm gonna see. I can kind of turn this a bit. So it's turning. It seems to be like stuck to the bottom somehow. Oh, it's turning. So let's go ahead and here it is. The rest is like stuck inside. It's
crusty.
I'm gonna go home and try this again. I'm at Temmie's place.
So
Yeah,
this
it's stuck to
time,
the-
maybe not the best results, but it was probably a problem with the cooking spray.
Yeah, to be pretty honest with you.
Alright, well.
Alright, so our end results weren't that good, probably because of our cooking spray, but or the eggs. I don't know what it is, but the yolk is hard cooked, so it looks pretty good. And there's this like wrapper or something, plastic wrapping thing. It's just egg, but it's like a wrapping thing around it. We're trying to get that off. Yeah. Oh, it's actually peeling off a bit. Oh my god, it's really hot. All right.
Oh god.
Oh wait. Okay, so this does not really have a wrapper on it. So go ahead and add some salt and pepper and let's try this out.
Like
I'm gonna
now.
go ahead and try this out. Ouch, it is hot. So it tastes pretty good. It tastes like egg. And actually that black thing in the yolk, that's not the machine. That's just the the yolk does that apparently. So yeah, it's not bad. So I would say this machine is pretty good. I will try another recipe in another video, or maybe some other videos to see how they turn out. And yeah. Alright, so actually if you remember earlier, it did not rise. That was because we did not have enough cooking spray. Well, I tried it again a few times and I actually put too much cooking spray in.
Yeah, this is the cooking spray
it's all these Simply Nature it's some nice stuff. It's organic.
And I think it has to be in an aerosol.
By the way, no, this is not a sponsor.
No.
Yeah,
it's just the one we use.
Yeah, it's canola. It's nice. You just like put a little bit in there. Don't like make it so thick and then it just like doesn't rise because it gets past. So it's definitely rising. I'm going to wait to see what happened last time. Is it kind of stopped here, went down again, and then it started to like really pop out. So we're going to wait a bit more and see if this Rollie can actually push this up. So let's see what happens. We actually got it rising. Look at that. You see it?
Finally,
it's actually,
we got it to work.
Yeah, it's like it really is rising. I gave it like a little shake and like you gotta touch it a bit, and then it actually starts to like come out like I don't know. It's something like yeah. So So yeah, it's all right. So let's pull this out. Come on.
I can't believe it actually worked.
So yeah, it definitely was rising there. And there you go. That is your, oh my god, this is heavy. Get a plate like this. Oh wait, no, I don't think I have one right now. That's your egg popsicle apparently. We'll just put that in. Oh my god, it's like going, I will just put that in there for now. And okay, so as you can see, it definitely rose earlier. So yeah, this is a really nice product. I'd say you should definitely consider it. It's great for whether you're an egg lover or you're looking to make breakfast on the go. And I am going, and this like, look at this. These are 2 eggs in a little tube. So yeah, I would say get the Rollie. It's a nice machine that actually works, a nice cooking gadget. And be sure to leave a like, maybe a comment, subscribe, and I will answer any questions you have. Alright, see you next time.